Hi, I'm Amy with WTI, and I don't know if this happens to you, but whenever my kids would come down the stairs in their socks, I would just brace myself and hope that I didn't hear a big bang. Unfortunately, my son did fall a few weeks ago, and so I said, that's it, I've got to get some stair treads. And that's where these come in. These FUS anti-slip stair treads have been amazing. They completely solve the problem. They work so well that I don't have any more fears about my kids slipping. There's no more yelling out for them to be careful. I really feel so confident in these treads. My most favorite thing about them is that they're transparent. My husband put a lot of work into building these stairs years ago. I didn't want to cover over the wood grain. It's so pretty. But now you don't have to sacrifice aesthetics for safety. You can't even tell that they're on the stairs. It's awesome. We went with the 4x24 treads, and you get 15 in a box. They're very easy to install. You just wash and dry them really well. You're going to measure out your placement, and then you peel, stick them on, and you roll to completely flatten, and you're all done. If you make a mistake like I did, you can easily remove the tread by warming it up with a blow dryer. I just used an extra tread to fix my placement mistake, so it's good to have extra treads if you need them. I love that they're transparent, that they're so easy to install. Seriously, it's such a quick and easy, inexpensive way to keep my loved ones safe. I absolutely love them. I think you will too, but that's just my point of view.